Hello students, class 9th. Welcome back again on my next video. Today, before to start, I would like to tell you that earlier in the earlier classes that we had done some of the discussions related with coordinating conjunctions, and some part it was left that I had done in the last part 1 videos, and today this is the second video related with these coordinating conjunctions. And today its coordinating conjunctions has been completed, and subordinating conjunctions there is left, and that subordinating conjunctions we will do in the next video, that means upcoming videos, that on Monday, which I am going to upload. But today just there is some related few questions that today I am going to give you related coordinating conjunctions that recently we had completed. So that's why, in order to check you all whether how much that you have understood, that's why some of the few questions related with the coordinating conjunctions today I will give you, or I will write on the board, and you can see on the board, or uh, you can take a screenshot by your mobile, so that you will write properly in your copy and submit me to in the homework. So before to give you a questions, just let us summary about the discussion what we did in the classes as well as in videos. So there is some of related coordinating conjunction of that related part, that are coordinating conjunction of additions, and what are the rules that is related with this coordinating conjunction of additions. And second one, coordinating conjunction of contrast and its rules, how to use, what kind of coordinating conjunctions that should be do in a contrast statements. And third one, coordinating conjunction of choice. There is also a special or certain coordinating conjunction has been used in this coordinating conjunction of choice. And fourth one, coordinating conjunctions of reasoning. Here also some of the special coordinating conjunction that we have to use. So for all these different parts of the coordinating conjunctions that we had discussed in the earlier videos also, about the topic wise that we had discussed, and how to apply the coordinating conjunction of different types in a particular situations. So already we had discussed. So just for the summary, let us talks about few details about these parts. So coordinating conjunction additions is only used for the fact which is one another of the statements. There is example that we had discussed, that it helps the same fact with the another statements. And in these additionals of conjunctions that we have to use the certain words of conjunctions that are both and, as well as no less than, not only, and but also. These are the additionals of conjunctions where there is sense of additions, that means sense of fact to one another. At that time we have to use these kind of coordinating conjunctions of additions. Second one, coordinating conjunction of contrast. That means the different ideas of two different statements in which contrasts of coordinating conjunctions that are used. So first we have to make sure whether these two different statements are reflecting or expressing about the two different ideas that are not similar to one another. So that's why in these conditions that we have to use coordinating conjunction of contrast, and such coordinating conjunction of contrast will be but, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while, only. So these are the coordinating conjunctions of contrast that we can use in a sentences. And how to use it is depend on the sentences, sense of sentences, what it's reflect the meaning. So according to that way, these different kinds of coordinating conjunction of contrast you have to use. Third one, coordinating conjunction of choice. Coordinating conjunction of choice, it expresses about a choice between two alternative statements. That means where there is expressing about the choice of the two different statements, at that time we have to use coordinating conjunction of choice. That means what kind of coordinating conjunction of choice that we have to use, that are or, either or. That means it's a either or, where there is either is used. That means either where there is used, you have simultaneously you have to use or also, because it is a pair of coordinating conjunction, and which is called in another words that is correlative conjunctions. Another one, similarly, neither nor, where there is neither is used, nor also will be followed. This is also a correlative conjunction which is called pairs of conjunctions. And neither and nor, it is for the negative sense, where there is negative sense is reflect in a two different statements, then we have to use neither and nor. Otherwise either or is reflect about the positive statements of two different statements. And some otherwise or else. Otherwise and else you can use of your own choice, because otherwise and else both are the stand for the same meaning. And in a sentences, if there is some type of choice, it makes a sense, then we have to use in the conditions otherwise, or you can use else in place of otherwise. So these are the examples of the coordinating conjunction of choice. Another one, coordinating conjunction of reasoning. Coordinating conjunction of reasoning, that means the fact that are referred from another. That means a statements that reflect the fact to one another, to other statements. So in these cases where there is result, and the reason, in that sense we have to use coordinating conjunction of reasoning. And there are the example, for, since, because. These are the example of the reasoning. I hope that you understood whatever I just discussed by this summary. So it hoping that you will understand, and whatever that related with this which I discussed, I'm going to give you a related questions with this. So try to do, and just pause the videos, take your time, understand, and then do. So these are the questions that I have written here from 1 to 10. So let me read you so that you will understand clearly. Join the following given sentences with coordinating conjunctions. You have to use only coordinating conjunctions. Whatever we had discussed in part 1 and in the class, that type of coordinating conjunctions, the part of coordinating conjunctions mixture I have given here. So coordinating conjunction of additions, coordinating conjunction of choice, coordinating conjunction of contrast, coordinating conjunction of reasoning, all I have given here in a mix-up way. So that's why you have to identify the statements where there is use such parts of coordinating conjunction in a sentences. So let me read. First, Prem Chand is quite rich. He is not contented. Second statement, wise men prefer virtue. Fools prefer beauty. Third one, he is not lazy. He is not careless. Fourth, you must apologize. You will be dismissed. Fifth one, the car was broke down. We had to walk to the school. Sixth one, there was no buses. The drivers were on strike. Seventh, the rooms are big. They are not airy. Eighth one, she set the alarm. She went to sleep. Ninth, the car ran over some nails. The tires got punctured. 10th, he has made 2 mistakes. The teacher has not deducted any marks. So these are the questions that you have to do in your homework copy. So I hope that you understood, and you will try just how much that you have understood. So see you in the next video, and till then, goodbye and take care.